All right, today we have Morgan Wirkes with us from Greenheck Group, and she is an engineering specialist there, and she's going to tell us all about her job. Morgan.
Thanks, Lynn. So as Lynn said, my name is Morgan Wirkes, and I work at Greenheck, located in Schofield, Wisconsin. And I've been working at Greenheck for almost 4 years now. So just a little bit of background on Greenheck. We were founded by two brothers in 1947 as a sheet metal business. We've grown significantly. We have close to 5,000 employees now, I believe, and our focus is on air movement products for commercial buildings like schools, hospitals, hotels, and restaurants. While we are primarily based near Wausau, Wisconsin, we have facilities in multiple states and countries. And my personal favorite thing about Greenhack is the values that we share as a team. So each employee is given a card at orientation with the values on this slide listed on it. And we focus on continuous improvement and learning, making a positive difference, and most importantly, being the easiest company to do business with. Our goal is to make our customers as successful as possible. So a little bit about me. I am from Green Bay, Wisconsin, and I went to high school in Appleton. So growing up, I actually wanted to be a meteorologist, but I realized in high school that there's not a ton of opportunity in that field. I also realized I really liked math and physics over kind of the earth sciences. My high school did not have a STEM program until my junior year, but they did have computer aided design classes, which I took and I absolutely loved them. I really excelled in them. So, with my passion for designing and my very long love of weather, I decided I wanted to become a civil engineer and survey storm damage on buildings. So, I went to the University of Wisconsin-Platteville to pursue that. And I quickly realized that the civil engineering route was not for me. And I switched my studies to manufacturing design and management. So in college, it's going to be extremely beneficial for you to get internships experiences in your field. This is going to help you apply what you've learned in your classes. You're going to get a much deeper understanding of what you're learning. And it's also going to help you understand the kind of work that you do and do not enjoy. So I had several internship opportunities in college. The first was an additive manufacturing internship at Midwest Prototyping that's located in Blue Mounds, Wisconsin. It's near Madison. Then I also pursued a co-op at a thermoforming company called Plastics Ingenuity. It was here that I discovered my love for working with the trades, the fast-paced environment of the shop floor, working with machine operators, working with maintenance. And my passion just really became making someone's job easier, more efficient, and safer. I did a design engineering co-op there, and then I came back the next winter for a really quick internship in the quality assurance department. So upon graduation, looking for a company with opportunity for growth, personal development, and a collaborative culture, I found myself at Greenhack in the GOLD program. GOLD stands for Greenhack Operations Leadership Development. This leadership program gives you the opportunity to be a production supervisor on second or third shift for up to 2 years. And during this program, I was able to take leadership classes. I learned how to coach and develop my employees, and I learned all about operations management by working closely with inventory, maintenance, engineering, logistics, and human resources. So when my 2-year program was completed, there were several engineering jobs that I was qualified for. I was interested in two different positions, so they actually let me try both. I currently am both an engineering specialist and a manufacturing engineer in my facility. So a little bit about what I do every day. One of my main duties is to focus on continuous improvement. So I look for opportunities to make our manufacturing processes easier, faster, and safer. I actually created the blue workbench that you can see in the first photo for a small project a few months ago. And the size and the layout of the bench created more space and organization in the area, and it made the worker's job much easier. I am part of the safety team. I complete projects that help prevent injuries, such as researching new ways to lift heavy objects or designing safety guarding to protect someone from getting hurt. I oversee quality assurance in my plant, so I help guarantee that our products that we make meet our customer standards by conducting quality audits and answering quality related questions from the production floor. So I also handle customer visits when they come to survey our quality standards. I am currently learning how to create blueprints that the assembly and fabrication teams will reference when building our products, and I look forward to continue to learn about that. I find, purchase, and coordinate installation of new machinery in our plant. So the bottom photo in the orange is a new saw that I had installed last month. Other projects I've coordinated include forklift and crane installations. My team is in charge of making sure all of the tools on the shop floor are working properly and get repaired quickly if they're broken. So this includes things like drills, cranes, nail guns, welders, and all of the large machinery in the shop. We also will trial new tools to see if they work better for our team members than the current ones. I also write instructional documents called standard operating procedures for our shop floor to help train new people. They also help ensure consistency in product across all of our manufacturing locations because they all reference the same document. So hopefully they're all building everything the same. You can see a quick snapshot of one that I wrote on the very far right side of this slide. Besides my normal day-to-day tasks, I have a lot of other opportunities at Greenheck that I really enjoy. One is teaching manufacturing basics portion of our new hire training a few times a month. So I teach new employees about our quality standards, how to read blueprints, and how to safely perform their daily tasks. I also get to recruit college students for internships and full-time positions. You can see me in the first photo standing next to a banner of myself at the career fair. I am part of the Greenheck Group Women's Network, and I participate on the Young Women's Outreach Committee. We hold several events in a year, but one example of something that I've done is last summer, we got to run a week-long camp at the Wausau Boys and Girls Club. We called it Innovation Station, and we got to teach them about innovation, manufacturing, and marketing. It was a lot of fun, actually. It was really cool. Um, Greenheck is also very involved in our community, and I get to help with fundraising for organizations like Salvation Army and United Way. So the photo on the right is myself and my team members after completing some fundraising for an organization called Peyton's Promise. If you're interested in anything I talked about today, please take a minute to check out Greenheck, or I'm sorry, careers.greenheck.com for more information. We have many internship opportunities, a fantastic youth apprenticeship program for high school seniors, and leadership programs for recent college graduates. So some advice that I have for you today is to try new classes in high school, particularly shop classes. I didn't have access to many of these in high school, but I immediately wish I had when I went to college. These kind of classes help you grow your mechanical inclination. They teach you how to use tools. They teach you how to fix things through problem solving, which will be a huge help to you when you live on your own. And you can make fun and useful projects. Another thing I'd like to encourage you all to do is to look into apprenticeship opportunities in the trades. Trades are occupations like manufacturing, maintenance mechanics, pipe fitting, plumbing, and electrical work. This kind of work is critical to our day-to-day lives. So college has kind of become the more traditional route in recent years, but that's definitely not the way that it used to be. And there's going to be a huge lack of qualified skilled professionals in our country's future without more people pursuing the skilled trades. Finally, please stay true to yourself and your interests. Do not choose a college or profession just because your best friend or significant other is doing that. It's a lot easier said than done, but do not settle for a stereotypical job just because you feel you're expected to, because that's not where you truly belong. So focus on doing what you love and see where it takes you.